are sitting at the grocery store in the parking lot, just getting pelted by hail right now. You can see the ground.
How are we gonna get home, Mom?
We just gotta wait for the hail to be done. There's our front windshield.
Wow!
Can you turn the wipers on again? Or you don't want to?
Yeah, keep the windshield on.
Our windshield wipers cannot keep up with the ice.
So how are we gonna get home if that's just like that?
I don't know if you can see the ice on the ground.
I don't know what to do.
We are just absolutely getting pelted. Everyone in the parking lot is either staying inside or we're all waiting it out in our cars.
I got a good
Seems to
idea.
be slowing down a little bit.
Get me out there. Let me out there, someone.
Look at the ground. It's Noah, close your door, honey.
Oh, I want to feel it.
Now it's rain. Now it's finally changed to rain.
I've got a genius idea. Someone let me out.
You can see the ground back there. Noah, don't do that, please.
Dad! Hey, Dad! Hey, Dad! Hey, Dad!
There was nothing on the ground 5 minutes ago, and now it looks like that.